Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. So many users have given it 5 stars, and after testing it, I see why. Click the link in the description. You won't regret checking this one out. Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. There's a reason everyone's buying this right now. It's reliable, easy to use, and feels like something that should cost way more. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone. Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. This item's been going viral for weeks, and for a good reason. The performance matches the hype, and the quality feels top tier. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone. Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. What surprised me the most is how premium it feels for such an affordable price. It's the kind of product that makes you think, hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. If you're wondering whether